I was given this Klein's Electrician's Multitool and some other incentives in exchange for a non-biased review. Here's a shot of me using the wire cutter to clean up a zip tie, and then using the flat blade screwdriver to loosen one of the screws to this cover plate. And then using the number 2 screwdriver, Phillips, to tighten down this hanger for some PEX tubing. And last but not least, showing you how sharp this 3-inch drop point blade is, cutting through a couple of sheets or a folded sheet of copy paper. Pretty sharp. Be careful, guys, don't cut yourself.